Hey, what's up, YouTube? Welcome back with another video. And my name is D. I am a web developer, a freelancer. I've been building website for about 4 or 5 years now. And today I want to share with you guys how I was able to make $400 a month using a WordPress web hosting business. Okay, so in this video, I'm going to use a WordPress multi-site that's hosted on Cloudway. After 2 years of running a web hosting business, I found that this is the most efficient way because once you need more server performance, you can always scale up from domain name to SSL certificates are integrated and work flawlessly. In this video, I will show you guys a live example of my business, and if anybody wants to learn how to build a web hosting business, I will put my course in the descriptions for you guys to enroll. And if you don't have any time to build a website yourself, you can also buy an installation and setup service, and I will personally set up the business for you. So this is my website, smartandgood.com. This is the landing page. It has all the information for my users to know, like domain name and hosting, SEO and internet marketing. So basically, I'm just offering people my services online. And as you can see over here, we have a theme library. Over here, we have varieties of themes. My user can pick and choose. As you can see, it's categorized by blog or by client or by restaurants, etc. And the user can click over here to see the template itself. Okay, over here we have a header. It shows all the screen size and how responsive the website is. Over here we have the theme preview. User can click over here to browse around. As you can see over here, there's a button say use this template. The user can simply click over here to sign up the website. I am a freelancer, so sometimes when I have a client, this is the same way I set up the website for them, and then I'll just send them the link so they can activate the website. Okay, so the user can sign up by selecting the theme they want, and it will take them to the next step where they can pick the plan, the hosting plan. So these pricing, my business offer them a free custom domain name, a SSL certificate for the monthly price of $20. We can select the plan to continue. So basically, I'm just showing you guys the business that I'm running. You guys can have the same business if you want to. I'll put more information in the description, but let's continue. We can choose the site title and then the site URL here. We continue to the next steps. Here the user can search for a custom domain name. You can see it's just popped up. So, okay, they can click on here and continue to the next step, or they can just skip. Okay, over here the user can create an account so they can log into their website later, and they can manage the website themselves if they want to. Okay, we can choose the username, the email, etc. Click agree to create account. There you go. It'll take a few seconds for the website to create on your WordPress multi-site network. And then the last step the user have to do is just activate the website. Usually I'll just send the client, my client, Like when I set up the site for them, I send them this link via text or messages or email, whatever. Just send them this link, and then when they click on it, it will pop up this screen for them to activate the website. So once they ready, they just click on this, and it will take them to Stripe to check out. See, this is a monthly subscription, and this is the back end of the website. As you can see, this is the total recurrent revenue, my monthly revenue, and this is the transactions between me and my users. We can click over here to see the total amount of revenue we have made so far. And today I just have a new user. I just created the website, and we can go over here to see the subscriptions. These are the users that subscribe to the website, and over here we have the plan. We can create any plan we want with any price we want, and we even have the coupons for our user. Okay, and these are the sites that have been created on the network. So I pay about $20 a month on Cloudway to use WordPress multi-site. So each month I make about $380. So I profit about $360. My WordPress multi-site have about 52 subsites, and it's still running smoothly. If anybody wants to know more information about building the web hosting business and generate some recurring monthly income, please check out the link in the description. Alright guys, I want to thank you for watching, and please subscribe to my channels to follow more videos in the futures. Please give me a like if you like this video. I want to thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.